Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share my app development story. 6 months before I made an app and published into the Play Store. It is free for everyone. It's all about that app development story and process. In order to start something and do something, you want to have the inspiration. If you search a word inspiration in the Google, you will see below meaning. The process of being mentally simulated to do or feel something, especially to do something creative. If we see the last part, especially to do something creative. So here this is not a creative process because I am going to recreate the existing game idea with additional feature. So exactly 6 months before, I mean starting of 2022, whenever I open the Twitter, I can see this kind of green tello emojis. This is not only in the Twitter, in the YouTube as well. So initially I don't have any idea to get to know what is happening around the world. But finally one day I Google it. After I Google it, I got to know this is something interesting because Google specially made a doodle for it. From the Google search, what I have learned is so this is a word game an American engineer made for his girlfriend. This is a free game. We can play this game online, but the saddest news is you can play this game only once per day. After I got this news, as a mobile programmer, I thought to create this game in Android. Exactly 6 months before, when I was making this game, I was working as a software engineer in US-based company. So I don't like to spend my work hours to create this game. So I continuously spend 5 days. Normally I start the process at evening 7:30 and finish it around like 1:30. So I spent 5 days to create this game in Android. When you consider modern Android development, for the UI design we have to use the Jetpack combos and the language is Kotlin. But I want to complete this app within very short time. So I use the language as Java and to design the UIs I use XML. After I complete the development, I want to publish the app into the Play Store. But nowadays that's a difficult process because of this Google's privacy and policy. And moreover, initially I named this app as Wordile Pro. Here, Wordle is the actual game and Pro is for additional features which I developed. After I submit the app into the Play console, the review process took more than 4 days. That's make me angry and I post a tweet into the Twitter. So actually I got the response from support team. They review the app and rejected because of the app name. Because Wordle is an existing game name. Because that will make confusion in the customer mind. So I change the name as like this. And finally, app is published in the Play Store. This is my app page in the Play Store. You can see overall it scrolls 100 installed. So let's go to the Play console and see the settings of this app. You can see the overall install in the graph. So people download it from the different countries, especially in London, Spain, and Sri Lanka. So all over the world, the people downloading my app and using it. So this is the happiest moment. Actually, this is a free game, but I made money from this game. You can see this video in my YouTube channel. So here I published a video about this game which I developed and I mentioned the price in the description. So some people contact me in the Twitter. They bought my app source code. So as of now, I got two customers. One customer from the USA, America, another one from the Spain. So this is how I made a business model for this app. So in the future, I will going to upload this kind of app development story. So please make sure to subscribe my channel. So this is the only help I am requesting from you. And thank you so much.